6:03. We're just hours away from closing arguments in a disturbing animal cruelty case that's now inspiring new legislation.
Domingo Rodriguez is accused of killing his dog Dexter just a day after adopting him, then dumping the dog's decapitated body in Fort DeSoto Park. It's a story that's outraged a lot of people. Well, 10 Tampa Bay's Nick Valturo is live outside the Pinellas County Courthouse now. And Nick, this morning, the defense says the evidence doesn't support the claims here.
Yeah, Caitlin Jamison, good morning. Yeah, that's right. The defense was able to get several key admissions from the state witnesses, highlighting what they say are major flaws in the prosecution's case. And the defense was able to deliver major blows to the state's case. No DNA, no fingerprints, and no phone evidence connecting Domingo Rodriguez to Dexter's death. Now, the veterinarian who examined Dexter's remains couldn't determine how or when the dog died. Now, after the state rested, the defense moved to dismiss, arguing prosecutors failed to prove their case. The judge denied that motion. The case has now sparked a push for tougher animal cruelty laws in Tallahassee.
Without a full body, it can be very challenging to determine cause of death. It's possible that there was a gunshot wound. It's possible that there was strangulation somewhere in the neck. There's so many variables that I can't rule in or rule out, like have them as a thought process as to what killed Dexter, because I don't have a key component of the body.
The defense called no witnesses, and Rodriguez did not testify. If convicted, Domingo Rodriguez faces 5 years in prison. But like we were saying, this case has sparked major changes in Tallahassee, pushing for strengthened laws against animal cruelty. One of those titled Dexter's Law, which would also really harshen and stiffen the penalties of anyone convicted of animal abuse.
Yeah, so Nick, what kind of impact would new laws like that have on future cases like this one at all?
You know, and Jameson, that could really be a game changer, because what they're looking to do is set up a public database. It's kind of like a registry, if you will, for anyone going to adopt a pet. That would be for shelters and rescues, to make sure people don't have any charges against them or have any charges that they've abused an animal. Another thing this would also do is permit advocates in the courtroom for animals, such as an animal advocate for a dog or a cat if an animal was abused. Really, all these laws are meant and designed to strengthen cases, so things like Dexter and this animal cruelty case that we're looking at right now doesn't fall through the cracks. Of course, we're going to be at the courtroom all day to bring you the latest, but for right now, reporting live in Pinellas County, Nick Valturo, 10 Tampa Bay.